A grey day on the outskirts of London set the scene for what could become one of the most explosive extradition battles in modern history.
Well, I care about human rights, and in the case of Julian Assange, he's been treated abominably, I think, from the start pretty much.
10 years ago, Assange shot to fame when Wikileaks began publishing secret documents provided by former US intelligence analyst Chelsea Manning. Now, the 48-year-old is wanted in the US to face 18 charges related to hacking and espionage.
Today, the United States took the remarkable position that any journalist anywhere in the world can be subject to extradition to the United States for publishing truthful information.
Lawyers for the US government say Assange put confidential sources in Iraq and Afghanistan in danger by releasing hundreds of thousands of unredacted cables. The court heard the WikiLeaks release meant hundreds of at-risk or potentially at-risk people were relocated from their countries. Assange's lawyers say the case is a farce, a political prosecution influenced by Donald Trump's disdain for the media. And they argue the Australian would face inhumane conditions in a US jail cell, putting him at risk of self-harm.
It's a very serious case, one that sets a dangerous precedent for the media and one that has significant implications for him as a person.
This vocal band of supporters will be here every day for these hearings, but at times they threaten to drown out proceedings in the courtroom. Even Julian Assange told the judge he was having difficulty concentrating because of the noise.
Nevertheless, he thanked his fans, and Assange's family were buoyed by the show of support.
I thank you for being here, and I reckon we'll win this.
But it's not the role of this court to decide if Assange is guilty or not. Ultimately, that would be determined at trial if the extradition request is granted. Bridget Brennan, ABC News, London.